Hey James, Corey here with Key Leads. Veronica told me to send over the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips on what you can do and actually apply to your website. Really help bring in a lot more traffic and help close more deals and grow your business here. The 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content. Everything that you see is content. Even all these images has content behind it. So really you need enough content so that way you can layer in those keywords, and those keywords are what people are searching for and how you're actually being found. Even these images all have content behind it. You got furniture assembly, NJ, United States, handyman service. Be a little bit more direct with and just put one keyword back there. Google will actually recognize that. That's just going to help with your rankings, and you can actually get on that first page a lot faster. Now, if I go inside of Google and type in TV Mount NYC, this is what you're going to see. You got these ads here at the top. A lot of people have been going away with ads just because they've been spammy. A lot of people have ad blockers up as well, so a lot of ads that are shooting out, they're not even getting through to a lot of people just because of those ad blockers. Underneath the ads, we have this little map section. Now, really, to get here in the top area, you're going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is really just go get those same citations from our top competitors. We obviously want to go out and outrank them. So we would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google comes by, crawls, does all their algorithms, they got no reason to put you in the very top for all that work that you've done on that Google My Business listing here, or the map pack, whatever you want to call it. Right underneath that, we have right here is where all the organic traffic happens. And to find your pages here, your website, you're going to be dealing with all that content, making sure that you're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website. That's really drawing power from those other websites. That's just really pushing to that first page of Google, so that way you can actually bring in those leads. Now, not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site, really. So it looks like you got this thing going back in January 2019. Here's the last 3 months of your website. You got 24 referring domains pushing back 62 backlinks, 85 keywords you're actually being found for. The PPC stands for pay-per-click, so it does look like you are running an ad or so in there. 23 clicks to your website. We can actually come in and see where those clicks are coming from. Furniture assembly NJ, there's about 40 clicks a month right there. Your first position, so you get 15 clicks out of that one keyword. Furniture assembly service NJ, there's another 30 clicks, second position. Still drawing a couple clicks there. But all these other keywords, handyman furniture assembly, office furniture installation NYC, 30 clicks, 29th position. All these other keywords, you're on the 3rd, 4th, 5th page of Google, so nobody's really finding you to be found for these keywords because you're missing all that traffic from that first page. Now, let me show you one of your competitors here. This is, I just put TaskRabbit. They do a lot of leads for people, but kind of showing you what we can actually go after, and as long as you're found for those keywords, making sure you have enough backlinking done so they actually can get on that first page of Google, you can actually look something like this. You got TV mounting NYC, there's 200 clicks a month. TV mount service NYC, another 100 clicks a month. TV installation NYC, there's 100 clicks right there. So really coming in, finding all these keywords and making sure that you're getting a decent amount of volume, but also all your backlinking is going to place you in the higher places or positions with those keywords, so you can actually draw in that traffic. Hopefully that made sense. But anyway, I would love to put a custom game plan to help to get to where you're trying to go, or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. I do love reviews, so if you want to come back and give me a review on this video, that'd be awesome. Thanks, look forward to talking soon. Bye.